Make sure you run it out. If not, unless coach tells you to go to second, then you open up. If you're not, you run it out. And yes, all right. I'll tell you right now. All right, line up. Listen, listen. Liam, Dominic, Phoenix, Isak, Ja, Julian, Jax, Bella, Ryden, Ismael. That's the lineup. Pay attention. Good job, Liam. Way to run it out. It's the little things, man. It's the little things. Good job. Oof. Wait, that'll get some. No. Yeah. Here, let me scoot him over. There, you can sit right there. Hold on, Dom. Hold on, Dom. Hey, you gotta pay attention to coach, okay? Make sure you're after. Hold on. No, you're after Ryden. Hey, what a run. Good job. Look at that coach. Go, Isak. You're good. Hey, good hit. After Jaw is Julian. Good. After Julian, you're up. 5 runs. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Watch the throw. Back. Hey, good hit. Hey, you gotta run it through. Let's go, Julian. Good. You're all right, Jaw. You're all right. Ah, Julian. Well, guys, we need a hustle, guys. We need a hustle. Good job. Why are you looking at the ball? Huh? Yeah. Oh, I gave them a lineup. The coach. Don't worry about it. Just stay at 6. I mean 5. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it looked like they got him. Uh, yeah, they gotta stop playing those games because so what happened exactly. Like you're not gonna is you're the only thing that you're gonna do is getting out. As especially as you get older. So it's like might as well start doing it now. So you get used to it. Watch it. Well, they gotta get used to the bounce. Hold it. Tattoo. Oh, it looked like it. Oh, hey Leo, I know you can get it there. Let's go. Why is that kid running down the base path? That kid. Isak looked at him like he was running back. That's why, but he went through the base path. Home. Hey, you're playing a bouncy ball, dude. Come on. Bring it in. Let's go. We got Ismael, Liam, Dominic. Put it inside. Liam and Isak, come here real quick. Hey, y'all need to call it. I'm tired of seeing you guys almost run into each other. That's 3 times this season. Call the damn ball in the air. Do you understand? Let's go. Good catch. Hold on. You're third, dude. You're third. Stay inside. You're in the hole. Stay in jail, bro. Huh? Fuck yeah. Told you. It's coming. Let's go. Here with it. Oh, I was like, ah, yeah, that's easy. Hey, hustle. Hey, we need to have them because they've been throwing the kids out at first. We need to have them just run it out. And if he misses it, then we tell him go. You see what I mean, though? Good job. Get there. Go. Hand up. Hand up. Huh? Okay. There. Back. Hey, good hit, Phoenix. Good job, Dom. What a run. Back. Hey, the base moved. Watch the throw. Fucking, that was bullshit. Fucking BS, dude. Nah. Hand up, Julian. Good job. Good job. Way to run, Josh. That's 4. There you go. Stay right there, Jax. Stay right there, Jax. Bella, get back. Bella, get back. 5 runs. Good job. Good hit. Let's go. Good job, baby. Way to come through. Hey, way to run, kid. Good job. Good. Hey, good job. Hey, way to run. Good job. Way to get a second. Hey, let's go. Make a play. Make a play. Let me get some of those. Here. Mm. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, you all right, Joe? Hey, get a good throw. Let's go. Ball. Oh, he dropped it. Yeah. Hey, you all right? You all right? Hey, you're gonna have more opportunities. Let's get this next one. All right? Let's get this next one. You gotta set your feet, girl. That's what he's telling you. Hey, Ryden, where does he gotta go? Okay, so then go just right there the second, okay? She's playing back. She's playing back. She needs to play the damn bass. You never call time. He never said time. Yeah, 1 down. 2 runs. 10-5, and then go. Play the grass. There's a bottom two guys. Move them up. Sec two. I think it's in there. Hey, let's go, kid. Let's go. Hey, remember, here, get the gum out. Gum out. Keep your head in there, okay? Let's go. Right in, Ismael, then Liam. He's drinking water. He's drinking water. Hey, that's a good hit, right in. Open up. Looking at the ball. Go. Stay there. Stay on the base. Good, right in. Hey, that was a good hit. Hey, right here, right here. I'm right here. Put that right there, Dom. Hey, you don't need to move him. Hey, you got another chance. Let's go. Hey, just put him regular. Just put him regular. Let him hit it hard. Nah, let him hit it that way. Good, right in. Good. I told you. Yeah, all right, kid. Hey, don't worry about it. That's coach's fault. That's coach's fault. One. 27? Damn. Run right in. Ooh, that second. Hey, good job. Hey, if coach is over there telling you to go, you gotta go. All right. You don't look at the ball. You just go. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Look at the ball. Back. Good shot, girl. Hey, you forgot to touch the base at second, dude. Yeah. Me and Coach Isak saw it. Good shot. Oh, you go, get home. Get home. Let's go. It's your shot. Let's go. Get there. Uh, hey, go, Ja. Hey, cats and gloves. Hey, don't be all like that. Be happy for your brothers that hit right now. Let's go. 15-5. You'll get the next one. Let's go, kid. Let's go. You'll get the next one. Let's go. It's 25 minutes at 55. Hey, we started at 8:03. Hey, is this? Hey, is this Ja? Oh, yeah. No wonder he couldn't find it. That's why he used the other one. Hey, you throw it to his face, girl? I know, but wait till you can see. You hit him in the face. Go get it. Go get it. Let's go. You all right? Let's go that way. There you go, Liam. Oh, what? Hey, watch your runner. Watch your runner. Watch your runner. Time. Ball, Bella. Give me the ball. Yeah, it's bright. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, it's just the tears. Hey, you just tell the girls at school tomorrow. You should see the other guy. Good job, Dom. Good job, Dom. I don't know, Rico, but I have to mark that as an error. Why? He was catching it like this? Oh, he can't see right here. That's why. Hold it. Watch your runner at second. Hey, isn't that what I told you during warm ups? Get in front of it. That's what we practice. We don't practice the side. Let's go. Came to you the last time, Dom. 3. Hey, good try. Way to get that out, though. Way to stick with it. That run didn't score. No, but it's the force. Oh, okay. No, fine. Yeah. No, because it has to go to first. The force out has to be at first. I guess because it hit his glove and it dropped. What? I thought it was because he dropped it. Hey, so that run counted? Julian, Jax, Bella, get ready. Back, 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 back. Julian, back. Hey, when you hear coach say back, you got to go back. Hey, get another big hit, all right? Go, Julian, go, Julian. Hold up, Jax. Hey, no, Ryden, and then him. You have to ride it, okay? Hey, that's a good hit. He made a catch. That's all good. Go. Hey, way to run. Good job. Got to run, Isma. Stay there. Hey, good job. You all right? It's my end. You good? Bring the bat in, dude. It's right there. Yeah, you need to get after him on that one. Not right now, but I don't know yet, Julian. I don't know yet. Send him. Oh, oh yeah, that's 5. Captain gloves, Bella. Hey, no, no, because you left the base early. You're lucky they didn't catch you. Do you understand that? So now you can't choose where you want to go. Little fucker. Hey, he got so lucky. He ran out too. He ran out here. Then he went. Then he tried to come back, and then he was like, "Oh, bring it down a little bit." Get ready, get ready, get ready. Julian, you're not playing on the base. You're playing this way. So come on, more. Right there. And that's why you gotta play more towards that way. A little bit, okay? Right there. Get ready, John. I went out there last time. Bella, Bella, paying attention, baby. Get ready, Julian, be ready. Hands off your knees. Hold it. It looked like it hurt her foot. Ah, you gotta play that bounce right there. Right in. We gotta play that bounce. We gotta play the bounce. Play the bounce, kid. Come on. Get ready. Home is man. Home. Hold it. Ball first, Julian. We gotta get ball first. Damn. Fucking thought she was gonna catch that. That's four. Hold on. Oh yeah, five. Nah, they got four. It's 10. It's 20-10. Yeah. Coach. Hey, let's go. Bring it in. Dang it, coach. That would have been an out. Hey, hey. You gotta play more to the line. If you see their feet going this way towards third, you gotta move the head. Hey, you're like right here. Look, that's third base. You're like right here. You see them facing this way. Take a step this way. Okay, that's it. Other than that, you did really good. Oh, I know. You can play back a little bit if you need to. Okay, like move back away from the base if you got to. If you feel like you have to. Okay. Ja, Julian Jax. That's a nice good. Eh. Oh, I hear John when he does it too, and I'm like, bro, somebody join in. Come on. Good job, Ja. Tomorrow. Hold up. Job, Ja. Sorry, Julian. Hey, let's go, girl. Hey, good hit. I don't like the bounce though. That bounce kills the ball. Yeah, hurry up. The what'd you say? Phoenix? The runner does not have to go around. Not if she's running straight. If she's running in a straight, it's the defense. Uh, but she, but if she doesn't touch him, then it doesn't matter. Back 4. I saw it. It wasn't. Hey, Liam, come here. If you get called down, we're gonna yell at you, dude, and you're not gonna like it. You understand? You should not be leaving early. What do you mean? Am I? Oh, when I'm recording? When I was? Not right now. I'm not recording. Oh, it's because I wonder if I can do a double view. I'm gonna look it up. Yeah, but like I highlight. I didn't know you could hear me. Oh, now I know. Damn, I'm gonna do it up to bat. He'll say that you hear me on the live stream when I'm recording here. I was like, oh, live stream. Nah, he dropped it. I know. I didn't even know that. Yeah, that's yeah. That's why I was like, what? Ja, you all right, Ja? Your leg good? All right. Hey, dude, they slid right into his leg. Like, I got him out. No, it was a practice. Tag him. Hey, good job, Phoenix. I don't know, man. Hey, glove down. You gotta get that glove down. You got ball first, okay? Run them. Ah, home, home. Hey, good throw. Hey, Julian, here. All right. Yeah.